Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Lexus LS 460. 2012 Lexus LS 460, experience the power, prestige, and luxury you deserve. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 138,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Are you ready to feel like royalty? Feast your eyes on this 2012 Lexus LS 460. With a powerful 4.6L V8 engine delivering an impressive 380 horsepower and 367 feet-pounds of torque, you'll rule the road in no time. But let's talk about the luxurious factory features. The black leather interior is fit for a king, or queen, while the sleek Obsidian exterior is sure to turn heads as you cruise by. Plus, with 16 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway, you can enjoy luxury without breaking the bank. And there's more. This Lexus is in excellent overall condition with a clean CARFAX report, so you can drive with confidence knowing you're not inheriting any surprises. Why settle for an ordinary ride when you can experience the royal treatment? Come test drive this 2012 Lexus LS 460 today and feel the luxury for yourself. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger.